Nestled within the stark beauty of the Cerrado Biome, a solitary structure unfolds like a delicate flower. The Cata-vento House, a creation of Equipe Lamas, is a sanctuary for a couple seeking respite from urban clamor while remaining within its embrace. Situated a mere 15 minutes from the bustling heart of Brasilia, this architectural marvel stands as a testament to harmonious coexistence with nature. Spread across a generous 2,000 square meters of arid land, the house gracefully occupies 375 square meters. Its unique form comprises 4 distinct volumes, each a square module rotated around a central, uncovered courtyard. This spatial arrangement not only connects the various functions of the house, but also offers ever-changing perspectives of the surrounding landscape. From the garage and service areas to the intimate master's suite, the living and dining area, and private bedrooms, every space is carefully positioned to capture the essence of the Cerrado. The heart of the house is undoubtedly the courtyard. A replanted oak tree, a survivor from the original site, stands as a poignant tribute to the land's history. Surrounding the tree, a network of paths, gardens, and a reflecting pool create a microclimate of tranquility. The water's surface, acting as a mirror to the sky, brings the heavens indoors, while also providing a much-needed source of humidity in the dry climate. To harmonize with the environment and minimize costs, the house employs simple yet effective construction methods. A combination of metal beams and concrete pillars supports the structure, while earthy-toned exterior walls blend seamlessly with the horizon. The interior, bathed in natural light thanks to floor-to-ceiling glazing, is characterized by clean lines and white walls that serve as a perfect backdrop for art and furniture. The judicious use of naval plywood for cabinetry and shelving adds warmth and continuity to the space. The Cata-vento House is more than just a dwelling, it is an experience. As one moves through the house, the interplay of light, shadow, and landscape creates a constantly evolving visual narrative. The separation of volumes ensures privacy while allowing for a strong connection with the outdoors. It is a place where the boundaries between architecture and nature blur, inviting inhabitants to live in harmony with their surroundings. Mariana Sequeira's landscape design further enhances this connection, incorporating native trees and plants to create an extension of the Cerrado within the house's grounds. The result is a truly exceptional space that not only satisfies the needs of its inhabitants but also enriches the surrounding environment. And there you have it, a glimpse into the serene world of the Cata-vento House. A harmonious blend of architecture and nature, this Brazilian retreat is a testament to the power of design to transform a space. If you're inspired by this architectural gem, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your friends. And of course, subscribe to our channel for more captivating stories about design and architecture. Your support helps us bring you more incredible homes from around the world. See you in the next one.